Did you know women are becoming some of the smartest investors in the equity market?
Surprise! India's investment landscape is changing. Women are investing more than ever. Women now make up 24% of the Indian stock market investor, a 6.8 times rise since 2015. Also, female labor force participation jumped from 23% in the year 2017-18 to almost 41.7% in the year 24. That means more women earners is equal to more investors in Indian equities.
But there is more to do. Women own less than 30% of India's wealth versus 40% globally. Plus, 49% of Indian women still don't invest as compared to 29% women in the US. This Women's Day, let's invest and build wealth for the long term. Here are some of the smart long-term stock picks to be invested in a systematic manner. Bajaj Finance. The company is expected to grow at 25% CAGR over FY 24-27 expected, with healthy profitability led by strong distribution and diverse range of products. We believe the current valuation offers an attractive opportunity given its strong ROA and ROE profile and ability to grow across the cycles. Titan. Titan is well positioned in the retail sector, benefiting from its competitive advantage, store expansion, diverse formats, attractive design, and strong customer trust. Budget 2025 measures are expected to increase discretionary spending, driving higher sales growth for Titan across segments in the coming quarters.
TCS. TCS, a global leader in IT services with strong deals win and increasing demand for AI services, plus expectation of faster recovery in discretionary spend in US, stands to benefit in the long run. TVS Motors. Domestic two-wheeler industry is expected to grow by a high single-digit year-on-year in financial year 25, led by rural demand. TVS Motor is a strong play in this space as we expect the outperformance to continue on the volume front led by the premiumization and EV product launches. Voltas. With above normal temperatures and heat wave expected across India, demand for air conditioners and coolers are set to increase. Voltas is a preferred play in this space given long-term demand for AC, PLI on components, market leadership, and expect revenue CAGR of 18% over financial year 24 to 27.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.